from UnCalculated Studio, just explaining a couple of things about our new installation, Crystalline Forms, which uses a signal from a pyrite crystal, also known as fool's gold, and connects that signal. It's an analog signal, brings it into Touch Designer and blends it with a stable diffusion network through stream diffusion. And allows the audience to interact also through this connect with real-time gestural actions. So it's really a multiplayer type of instrument or assemblage where two people at once can operate the crystal or work with the connect in an installation situation, as you saw in the demo. So allow me to head in here and let's have a closer look. So here you can see we've got our connect input, okay, mapped across this kind of a diamond crystalline form. You can see that as I trigger the connector viewer here, it's bringing my gestural input in. So that's actually blending with this stream diffusion network, okay, at the back. And my prompt, it was actually concerning images of crystals, so X-ray scans from the inside of crystals using confocal imaging. So it's an installation that brings crystals closer to the audience through their sonics. It's a sound that you would not often hear in the world. It's an unusual and unique sound. It's more similar to a kind of a white noise sort of a sound, but it allows you to actually blend your own gestures and interactions with this very sort of dark and mysterious type of natural geology. Crystals are, of course, extremely important to our technology. If we didn't have clear quartz, for example, all of our technology would look quite different today. So it's very exciting for us to bring audiences a little bit closer to these types of crystalline forms with the idea of bringing a little bit more understanding to these extremely useful resources that have very, very special energies. Thank you.